Hey guys, your Chief Visionary Natasha Davis here with Impact Branding, and we are doing our 5 Simple Steps series. This month we're focusing on how to make your marketing more successful. And right now we are going into step number 2 of your 5 Simple Steps series. So today we're going to focus on the 5 P's of marketing. And oftentimes people either they downplay it, they don't pay it much mind, or they don't think it's really necessary. And that's the furthest thing from the truth. The 5 P's of marketing is actually the foundation of marketing, and that's what puts marketing professionals in the right direction. And unfortunately, some businesses have kind of overlooked it or not used it, or they've tried to circumvent it. There have been a couple clever people that have been adding to the 5 P's, and I'm not that type of person. Why complicate something that actually works? And I like to keep things very simple. I don't like to complicate things. I actually like to uncomplicate things, make it more easier to implement. So today let's talk a little bit about the 5 P's in your marketing to make your marketing more successful. So here's the easy way to think about this. Okay, we have a product that has a specific price for a specific body of people that we need to promote in a particular place. Right? So we have a product, price, people, promote in a place. So if you keep it really simple and to the point, and you think about, okay, what's our product? What's our pricing? Who are the specific people that need this product and are willing to pay this price? How are we going to promote it? Because we got to get the message out there. So how are we going to promote it, right? What's our distribution channels, and where are we going to promote it, right? And where are we going to promote it? So what's our method? What's our approach? What's our distribution channels? Are we going to promote it on social media, and we're going to do an online campaign? Are we going to do direct mail? Are we going to do landing pages? Are we going to do online ads and actual print ads? Are we going to host webinars? Are we going to do several interviews and make it an offer somewhere? So when you think of your marketing, go back to the basics, right? And let's just outline the 5 P's. What's the product? What's the price point? Who are the people? And make sure that the people match up with the product and the pricing, and what's going to be our promotion, and where we're going to do this thing. And I want you to be realistic with it, because sometimes people develop these really fabulous products, but they want to offer it in the wrong place and to the wrong people. So I want you to be really, really specific, really strategic. Simplify it, but be strategic, and go back to the basics, to your 5 P's to marketing, so that you can be more successful with your marketing efforts and what you're doing. I'm your Chief Visionary, Natasha Davis with Impact Branding, and this is another one of your 5 Simple Steps series, and we are focusing on this particular series about how to have more successful marketing outcomes. Yes? All right. Make sure you stay with us. Subscribe to us on my YouTube channel, Impact Branding Videos, and stay connected, and feel free to share this information. I'll see you in step 3.